We guide you through how to cancel subscriptions on iPhone. So the first thing you need to do is to open your settings app on your iPhone. Tap your name at the very top to access your Apple ID. Next, select subscriptions and wait for the list of all active and expired subscriptions to load. Now, browse through and tap subscription you want to cancel. Once open, you'll see the details and the option cancel subscription at the bottom. Tap it and confirm your choice. If you don't see the cancel button, it usually means the subscription is already canceled or managed outside the Apple. So you may need to check the app or service directly. After canceling, your subscription will remain active until the end of the current billing period. So you can still use it until then. Always double check your email for confirmation from the Apple to make sure the cancellation went through.